And action.
Wow! That is pretty!
This is Ryan Shannon. Guys, you can see we're going under. Oh shit. We're going under what used to be the New York City subway system. It's now just a rusty old railroad.
Is there any survivors?
Me and my girlfriend and those two back there are the only ones that survived the flood of the century. Due to the drastic melting of the polar ice caps, what now we used to call our home is completely underwater.
Whoa! What is that? What is that?
Kyle, you okay? Kyle! Kyle!
Not again! No!
We need to find food!
Come back!
We can't do this without you! We're gonna try and
We'll
turn
be
around
back.
here.
Say that again?
We're gonna try and turn around. What'd you say?
Over and out.